Hello my fellow riders, today we're going to be doing a test ride on the Bullit Hero 50cc. Now we were planning to do a derestricted version, but for some reason that video has gone missing, so this one is actually a restricted version, and there'll be some commentary at the end of the video. So this bike is partially derestricted. We did change the carburetor, but there's two electronic things you have to do to this to have it fully derestricted. Even if you change the carburetor, it will still need the two electronic things to be done before the bike will actually do the full speed, which is around 45 miles an hour when it's brand new. It'll probably be a little bit faster afterwards. The main difference between this bike and say our Yamazaki is the engine. So the engine has an extra gear and an extra set of cams. So this is a double overhead cam engine, which in theory should produce quite a lot more power. Now the torque on this is noticeably better, and you can actually pull up a hill in 4th gear and it will creep slowly up to 30 miles an hour in 4th, and also there is a 5th gear. So that 5th gear makes quite a bit of difference to the top speed, and I would imagine you should be getting somewhere in the region of 50 miles an hour once the bike is fully running. I really like this bike, and it is quite nice to ride. It's very agile, very light, and it does exactly what you want it to do. The only issue I have with this is the back wheel. It's designed for off-road use. It's a knobbly tyre, it is a road legal tyre, but what you find is because of the big gaps in the tyre, you find it's bouncing a little bit around the road, and you might not get as much traction as you would on say a supermoto tyre. The engine sounds really nice, and if you've got the money to buy one and you're going for a 50cc, I would suggest you probably give it a go. So the purchase price on this bike is £2,300 on the road. There are quite a few upgraded elements to this bike, like the aluminium swing arm and that upgraded engine and the full stainless steel exhaust system. Now all these things are quite expensive to buy the manufacturing process. Does it warrant the price? I think it probably does. I know for a fact that that engine is £200 more expensive than say the Honda 90 copy, which is the same one as in most 50cc motorbikes at the minute. We did try and get one for the Yamazaki, but it was too expensive, and we didn't think that the people who buy the Yamazaki would absorb the price, so we didn't bother with that at that point. So thank you for watching my video, and I'm sorry that it wasn't released when I thought it might be. As I say, the video footage went missing, so I had to use the other one I had, which isn't the derestricted version, but I think you still get the gist of the video. So if you like this video, comment below, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated to all my latest content. Remember to wash your hands and stick to the COVID-19 distancing rules, but most important, ride safe.